everyone, welcome to the Burnt Brass Homestead channel. This is an extremely quick video for anyone interested in growing sweet potatoes this year. If you plan on growing sweet potatoes this year, now is the time to start growing the slips, as it can take 7 to 10 weeks to produce the slips and root system needed prior to transplanting at the start of the warm season. Now, you can purchase sweet potato slips, but they are rather expensive for what you get. I have a growing sweet potatoes and slips playlist. The videos in the playlist show step-by-step how to grow your own sweet potato slips from a potato you purchase from the market. You can get quite a lot of slips from that one sweet potato, as it's demonstrated in the videos. You can grow enough slips for yourself, as well as give some to friends and family, or sell them at community produce markets. In one of the videos, I show how much it costs to buy just 10 slips and why it's worth starting your own. Each slip can produce 2 to 5 pounds of sweet potatoes. I also want to note that sweet potatoes are a good shelf-stable root vegetable to get you through the winter. We still have a bucket full of sweet potatoes we grew last year. Curing the sweet potatoes is the key to better taste and longer shelf life. Happy gardening!